All right, in this video, we're going to talk about how to make money online. So that's a question, you want an answer to. You've been online, you're searching for something, and it always comes back to this, like, how are people making money online? So I'm going to give you some perspective in this video so you can really go out there and do some amazing things. Now, what I hear a lot of people talk about when they're talking about how to make money online is, you know what, they've done a lot of stuff. Probably you've done a lot of stuff. You've been in this program, you've been in that program, and it's pretty much the same theme. You're looking for the one silver bullet thing that's going to make you money online. And what I see is a lot of people going down that path of looking and searching for that one silver bullet that's going to make them money online, that they miss really the key ingredient of really how they're going to make money online. And that key ingredient, which I'm going to share with you later in this video, is going to really wow you when you finally realize what it really is and what it takes to make money online. But before I get to that, let me show you what I keep hearing from people when they're trying to make money online. Is the idea that they can't do this, they can't do that, they don't know how to do this, they don't know how to do that. And that's what stops them from making money online, because they have this I can't. The first thing is, I don't know how to market. I can't market online. I can't get anyone to join with me. And what they're missing is that they can. It's the idea that they've blocked themselves from some of the things I'm going to show you here that keeps them in this space, that keeps their mind telling them they can't. You know what? When I started online, I had the same thing. I was certainly looking for a quick, easy, fast way to make money online, to the point where if it didn't happen miraculously in a week or 2 weeks, I was looking for the next thing. And I don't know about you, but in life, if you're constantly running away from something, then you don't get in that space where you could definitely get the benefits of what it is that you're in. And so a lot of times I see people in opportunities, and they quickly jump from that opportunity to something else, and they never get the benefit of what it is. So it's like trying to work out, right? You're working out and you go 1 week. You won't see the results of all you did in that 1 week, say the next week, right? So you got to stick with it a little bit. But what I hear people saying is they can't, they can't, they can't. And that's because, you know what, you're moving from one thing to the next so quickly that you're not seeing the impact you're having in the business that you're in. So let me give you the bullet points, right, to kind of gear you to how you should look at how to make money online, and point you in a direction that will get you, if you take the advice here, to definitely changing that script and changing the outlook of making money online to the point where you can. The key thing you got to realize is the power is you to make money online. It's not about that business you're chasing, this, no recruiting business or this free business you're chasing. It's the power is really within you to make money online. But you have to embrace it and know that it's in you. So we've just talked about, the idea that people are saying they can't do this, they can't do that. But what if you embrace the idea that, you know what, I can do this? That you're seeing people do this online and you're saying to yourself, you know what, I can do that too. What's so different from me that I can't do that? There's nothing that separates you from someone else who have the same computer keys, that's typing on there and doing marketing online and making money online. You have the same keys, right? And someone could definitely show you that process. But if a person is running from this a business, how to make money online, so you're in the business that will make your money online, but you're running from it. You're in it for a week. It's like, oh, I don't know what to do. It's not working because you're not really doing too much. And then you run from it. Then it won't work, right? It's not going to give you any results to it. So just remember, the power is within you to really make money online. And that's what you need to embrace. That's the first thing. You need to embrace that you can make money online. Because if you're skeptical of this process, like you're thinking, it's probably not true, I can't make money online, then you know what? That's another defeating I can't that's stopping you from making money online. The other thing to this is you got to want it, right? It's something that you got to want. You got to want to make money online. I've seen people, trying to get out of the situations they're in, and they're looking at the internet as the escape, right? They're rushing to the internet as the escape to make that quick dollar, like the lottery kind of a thing. And that's what kind of stops them, because it's like what they want is really the quick answer to a problem they have. It's not that they really want to make money online. So you got to know that you want to make money online. The actual, I want to make money, my living, a good sized amount of money online, as opposed to I'm looking for something to give me a quick fix, like, a quick rush. And here are the steps to you getting to that process where you want it and you're going to do something to make money online. You got to be decisive. So when you find that business, right, that system, that thing that, in your belly, you're going, you know what, I like this. This feels good to me. This feels right to me. Be decisive about it. I mean, you don't necessarily have to have all the answers about that business. You just need to be decisive to know that, you know what, it feels right in my zone here. Because what I see some people doing with their decisiveness is, and actually indecisiveness is, they see a business, they like it, and you know what? They contact their inviter, their sponsor, their whoever, and they ask a million questions about this thing as if they're looking for that person to give them the reason why they should do it. They're looking for that person to sell them on this idea of what this business is. The thing is, you're online and you're researching these things, you're looking at different businesses. If you find it, you definitely have the answers you need to be decisive and go for it. You really don't need all that outside influence of, oh, I got to talk to this person. If I don't talk to this person, then I can't join this business because then I have reservations because they didn't talk to me. The thing is, you got to be decisive in yourself to go ahead and do this. So don't look for someone outside of you to, in a sense, talk you into this, make the decision for you. And if they don't give you a good answer to something, then it's like, oh, it's a strike against the business, against the person. Be decisive and decide whatever business you want to do, you're just going to do it. The next thing is you got to take action, right? There's no way around it. If you want something, you got to take action on it, and that's what makes things go. Things go. It's just like a wheel. If you're not turning that wheel, even though it's so powerful, right? That if it's turning, it will continue to turn. If you don't give it some momentum to turn, it's not going to turn. So that's the action step. You put that stuff in motion. That means you are actively involved and consciously, working in your business. That's when you're turning your business and making it work. And that's how you're going to make money online. So the focal point I want you to get from this is, you know what? The power is with you. You could do this. So this is what I wanted to show you. If the power is with you, right, that means you can change and do anything. And what I like to do is definitely, open people's eyes and get people to see something that I'm passionate about, because I love helping people to really get that spark when they realize the power is with them. And what I've seen, and actually a solution that I've worked on, is to really involve myself with this system that you're seeing right here that allows people to have the power to do some amazing things. So what I'm going to do is put a link in the description box here that's going to get you to a page that looks like this, that says, you know what, they say follow your dreams. The problem is most dreams require cash, because I know you're looking for a way to make money online. And I want you to take a look at this system, because it really resonates with the idea that, you know what, the power is with you to really create whatever you want from the internet here. So that's what I want to leave you with. There's a link in the description box. Definitely check it out. But know that, you know what, the power is with you to create whatever income you want to make online. And this, what you're seeing right here, is a way and a system for you to definitely recreate that power in yourself, because it definitely shows you some powerful method here for you to definitely reach the cash that you're trying to get, you're trying to obtain online, but also helps you to really tap into that power you got inside.